terrible, invisible, able, doable, data, correct.
So, greetings everyone. Today we will be um, talking about Schwa. So, what is Schwa? Schwa refers to unstressed vowel or vowels in word or words or in a sentence. When we say unstressed, meaning it is not clearly pronounced. So, it is represented by the symbol inverted E. Remember that mostly in single word there will always be one stressed vowel but may have more or but may have one or more two or more unstressed vowels, especially if the word is polysyllabic. And always remember that schwa is always found in unstressed vowels, and schwa can also be found in sentences. But today, we will be focusing on identifying schwa within words. So, by the way, the sound of schwa is marked by the sound u. So, to identify the unstressed vowel or schwa in that particular word, first try to pronounce that word and identify identify which syllable of that word makes your mouth slightly open and your tongue in relaxed mode or free from tension. So, if that's the case, that part or that syllable is unstressed. In this activity, you may open your dictionaries or your phones to get access to Google or online dictionaries, and together we will try to identify the unstressed vowels or the schwa in the following words.
Again, identify the parts from which your mouth lays relaxed. Correct. Data, intelligent, tortoise, elaborate, abandon, establish, accomplishment.
So, thank you for that active participation. I hope you are now familiar with schwa and capable of identifying unstressed vowels in words.